I sent my Scotty dog McDuff out to chase him off. He just sat up in the tree scolding McDuff and went on with his business. I put some corn up in a tree to distract him from the feeders. They have been incredibly destructive to my feeders. And here the squirrel is enjoying the peanuts that I had put out for my blue jays. He used my wood duck house for stashing his peanuts. I put some feed out on the ground in hopes that I could keep him away from my feeders. It wasn't long before he was back up in my feeders again, chasing the birds away.